In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate or create images using Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI stands out for video generation, and now you can generate images straight from Hailuo AI. So we are going to explore how you can generate your images. So to do so, go first and log into hailuo.video. Here is the website. And then you'll get 100 free credits that will last you for 24 hours. We have the image generation here. Go ahead and click on create image. And now here's the interface we can use to create our images. So let me show you how you can come out with the best images using this tool. I'll go ahead and get a prompt. I'll take this prompt, copy it and come paste it here. And then we have a feature here that when enabled, will automatically refine our prompt to generate high quality image. So make sure it is turned on. By default, it is on. So leave it on. Then we have two features here, the model and the settings. So if you click on model, you see we have the option to create high quality model using image01 model. And now we have also to choose the number of images that you want to generate. By default, it is set to 4, but you can either increase or reduce this number depending on your interest. So let me leave it at 4 and see what will come out. Now, before you generate, go ahead and choose the aspect ratio. If you click on the aspect ratio, you see you can either generate landscape images, square images, or as well mobile-based images. So I'll stick to 16:9 ratio. And then to generate our image, go ahead and click on generate button, which is here. And let's see what will come out. And here we go. Our images are ready. So let's tap on it to see what we have just generated. Now look at that. This is so great. So if you look at the images, you can agree with me that they are of high quality. The only drawback that comes with the free account is that you'll have the Hailuo Minimax logo or watermark here. I know that there are quite a number of image generation tools out there that generate high quality images that are watermark free. But if you have a paid account, you should have no problem with that. Now, if you are okay with the image, you can leave it at that. But if you are not okay, tap on recreate, and then Hailuo AI will go ahead and recreate your images. So if you want to download your images, all you need to do is to tap on the download button, which is here. Alternatively, if you hover on each image, you can see we have a download option here. Because we are using a free account, I'll just go ahead and download the image with the watermark. So we can do this and then get straight to our computer. Let me take another prompt and I'll maintain the qualities and the settings and see what this will produce. And this is an image of ultra realistic image of a stunning female model wearing golden and diamond jewelry. So let's see how this turns out. Wow, look at that. Super high quality. And you can agree with me that this is really hyper realistic. It's so great. I like that. Let's go and generate the final one with different settings. I'll take this and then go here, replace this prompt. And then here on the aspect ratio, I want to generate the mobile based, and the rest I'll leave them as they are and go ahead and generate. And look at that. Wow, this is super cool. It went ahead and generated for us these images. And I love this. Look at that. Wow. So that's how you generate images using Hailuo AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.